Greetings, this is Dion, and in this video, I'm going to show you a really cool trick to undelete or restore something that you may have deleted from Canvas. Let's say you had a quiz or an assignment or some kind of file or page that was deleted either accidentally or on purpose, and then you realize you need to bring it back. So notice at the top here, I have my URL that's unique to this course, lms.pps.net/courses/51665. And this number, the 51665, is unique to my course, my Sandbox course. And you will see that you also have a unique number here at the top. So here I have this course, and I'm going to add undelete to this particular course. And what you're going to notice is that everything that I have deleted from this course is listed right here. And so right now I'm going to go ahead and undelete this or restore this particular item called task safety. I'm going to restore it. And then I'm going to go back to my assignments and check to see if it's here. And here I have my lessons here, and I'm going to click on, I'm just going to look for safety. And here it is right here. And that is the one that was deleted. So this really cool trick then again was adding the word undelete in the URL or the address for your course, and it will show you everything that was deleted and then everything that you can restore. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.